This is our Bull AV740 model machine. So we are going to launch in US market too. So it comes mainly with the engine is Kubota. It's a 74 horsepower engine we are providing, and the and the bucket size is 0.44 bucket we are providing, and also we have the option for the 0.58 cubic capacity buckets. So this is our cabin. So I can get inside. So safety bar, and we are providing the joystick models, and the right hand joystick for the tractions and the left hand joystick for the hydraulics operations. So for these machines we are providing with a Colburn model. It's a proven hydraulic system company, and we are providing Colburn tandem pump, and the pump we are directly engaging with the engine, so it is reducing the power loss through the in between the system. So that is a major advantage, and we are giving with the high flow option, and we can attach multiple types of bucket, including cold planner or trencher. Likewise, major applications attachments we can use, and we are providing the attachment extra line as default. So the customer no need to pay additionally, or after using standard bucket, even standard bucket or attachment buckets, the default auxiliary line we are providing with each machine. So yes, and we have the digital display here, so we can access the display. So all related fuel, temperature, RPM, hour meter, everything we can show in the digital display. And the one more advantage for this model machine is the reverse camera. So we are providing with the reverse camera, so when the operator is going backward, so he can see the reverse works on the camera itself. He no need to look at the back side or something when he is going to reverse. It's a major advantage with this machine, and we are giving with the both options, either AC, air conditioner, and without air conditioner models machines we are providing. And this machines comes with the SRS, smooth rider control system. So that's while running, the machine moves on the road or on the highways, so it will reduce the jumping of the machines. So that we called smooth rider system, so that we are providing with this machine. And additional feature is available, the self leveling. So it is a continuous operation of the machine, so the operator no need to worry about the position of the bucket. So when he is lifting, it will comes on the level itself, so just he can operate the machine without checking the level of the bucket, and it is not going to fall down while working itself. Yes. So, and about technical, if I am coming to the technical side, so this is a chain drive type machine, and we are giving it a 10.6 model tires. So this is our engine part, and the radiator is on our top side, and the engine is, we are using Kubota 74 HP horsepower engine. So the access of in part of service side, so the accessibility of the filters related to the hydraulic system or engine system is more easier for the after sales team. For the service, for the replacement of the filter, there is no much, and we have the enough space for the access of each filters. And this is a radiator we can access. So if the accessing system also, it is good when if your service team want to access for any replacement of any kind of parts, we have the enough space to access engine side or the hydraulic side. And if any movement, so the cabin also we can able to lift it to access the hydraulic system or tandem pump over the machine. So the part of the technical side, if performance related, and the service side, it is more comfortable for the operator and the customers about the machine. So mainly these machines are using for the construction areas, so where the bigger machines can enter for the construction works or loading works. So these machines is useful for that, and some kind of factories can use this machine to run over the floor, and different types of tires. This is a tubeless tire we are providing, and rigid tires also we can able to provide for the asphalt surfaces. So it will reduce the wear and tear of the tire and the life will get more. So that kind of additional different tread and tire sizes we can able to provide based on the applications recommended by the customer or our dealers.
What's your equipment really worth? Don't rely on guesswork. Equipment World's free construction equipment valuation calculator delivers fast, estimated values backed by Equipment Watch market data. Whether you're selling, trading, or managing your fleet, get the numbers you need in seconds. Visit equipmentworld.com/equipment-calculator today to get your estimate.